Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the best deal on Porter Airlines flights. So here's a detailed guide on how to find the best deals on Porter Airlines flights. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.flightporter.com. Make sure you're using the latest version of the website for the best experience. So on the home page, go ahead and locate the flight search tool, which you have in here. So choose your from destination to destination. Choose if it's a round trip or one-way trip. Just fill out all of these necessary details and enter the dates for your departure and your return, and select the passengers, number of passengers that are going, and click on find flights. Taking you to the flight window. Now in here we have connecting flights. You have the Porter Classic, which is just what you need, and you have Porter Reserve, effortlessly complete. So from any of these options, you see lowest fare labeled there. So you can just choose any of this flight that has lowest fare because it could actually be the best deal for you. Then the next thing to do is to head over here to the main Porter website itself and scroll all the way down because you need to stay informed about price changes. So for you to stay informed about price change, you have to consider signing up for Fare Alert. So on the Porter Airlines website, which you have in here, you look for the option below that says sign up for special offers. Now enter your email address and click on subscribe. And that way you'll be able to receive notifications when prices drop or special offers are available. Then the next thing to do is to check for promotions and discounts, which are usually displayed. I'm going to show you. They're usually displayed at the top of the Porter website. So just like we have here now, it says sale, harvest the savings. So this is a deal that you can definitely hop in. So you can just click on this next to see if there are other deal options available. So click here and you can go back and see any of those deals. That's how we can find. So just go ahead and look for special discounts, limited time offers, or seasonal deals that may apply to your travel dates. So, and then the next thing is to use the book now and pay later option. That's fly now and pay later option with FlexPay. So click on that, and once you click on that, it allows you to secure a fare without paying the full amount upfront. So review the terms and conditions to ensure you understand any fees or payment schedules involved. This is another way. And the next thing to do is to always check for prices directly on the Porter Airlines website, as they may offer exclusive deals that third-party travel sites do not. So compare prices on different platforms, but prioritize booking directly with the airline when possible for better customer service and support. Then another step is to consider joining the VI Porter loyalty program to earn points on flights that can be redeemed for discounts on future travel. So how do you do that? If you're not already signed in, click on VI Porter at the top of the website, click on VI Porter, and if you're not already signed in, you see an option that says join VI Porter. So click on that and follow through the prompts to be a member of the VI Porter to earn points. You can also follow Porter Airlines on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, because airlines often announce flash sales, discounts, or promotional codes on their social media channels. So that's pretty much it. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.